Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to show you how we can book train tickets and Make My Trip. This is the Make My Trip homepage. If you don't have Make My Trip app, kindly get it from Google Play Store. After getting your Make My Trip, you can register by using your mobile number. And thereafter, just click on trains and buses option in the home page. After clicking that one, you'll have two options, one for train and second for bus. Since I would like to book train, just click here, and where do you want to go? From and to you have to give. For example, I would like to travel from Hyderabad to Mumbai. So in to address, just write Mumbai or MUM. This will give you several options here. Mumbai Central Railway Station I am selecting. That means I would like to travel from Hyderabad to Mumbai. I have given to and from and to address, and for which date I would like to travel. For example, if you would like to select another date, kindly select it. I would like to travel on 15th of April. I selected this and go to search. After going to search, it will show us several trains whichever are available from Hyderabad to Mumbai. So I would like to travel during night time. So after 8 o'clock, I would like to travel. If you observe, there are two trains available, that is Mumbai Express and LTT Duronto. And I'd like to book this one so that in Mumbai I can reach by 1:05 p.m. So I'd like to travel by second AC. I'm selecting this, or second AC RAC1. So I'm preferring third AC. Just click on third AC, and then it is showing from Hyderabad to CSMT. It is available. Okay, go ahead. Then it will ask you to enter your name, everything here. Just click on if you have any pre enter data here, or otherwise just enter your details again. For example, I would like to give my name, and I would like to give my age, select male, and which birth you want. I want lower birth and I'm Indian national. Save. So after this, it will show you how much you have to pay. Before to that, you would like the insurance or not, it will ask. Yes, this is for full refund. Thereafter, and it will ask insurance one also, just check it. Always it is better to take insurance here. And thereafter, the address of destination it will ask. This is Mumbai, and so thereafter, if you give pin code, for example, if it is pin code is 4001, then it will show Mumbai Maharashtra Stock Exchange SO. If you have any kind of offers discount, you can enter here, then click on continue. So I have not yet selected, so this select as no, and then continue. So IRCTC username I have to give, then submit it. It will give you an option to pay your amount, then you have to give your IRCTC password. That's all, your ticket is made. It's so simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video.